Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you saw my last video, you saw that I decorated for Christmas. Woo! So I figured we would just keep going with that theme. I've got my hot cocoa and chill shirt on and my cozy little Christmas pants. So it is a work from home day. I have a few exciting things to share with you guys today as well. The dogs are with me. It's just me and the dogs, and we are getting stuff done from home today. So come along. I already made my coffee and had an awesome breakfast. I made some Kodiak cakes, and we are off to a fantastic start. Okay, so I'm gonna take a break from work really quick and just chat with you guys about kind of just like goals. So one thing this year that I've realized is that in, I don't know, 60 days, 50 days, something like that, 2020 will be over with, and I don't want to be disappointed with myself in the goals that I've set for myself this year. So I am just doing everything I can to stay on top of my goals. One of them is like being in the best shape that I can be by the end of this year, and so I've been working on that, and just working on my business and everything like that. So just a reminder that it's gonna feel so good at the end of the year when those things are all, or some of them are actually accomplished, and you're just gonna feel so good. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. In order to do that, I've been keeping my house like super organized and super clean all the time. So whenever I work from home, I always get like so distracted with those kind of things. But it's all worth it, and also just like want to be as cozy as I can in the house as well, because I really do work from home a lot, and a lot of you guys work from home a lot. So whether it's like my couch, my living room, my bed, whatever, I just want everything to be super cozy and organized and clean, which is going to actually bring me into my next thing. I want to show you guys what just came. So I just got this package. I am so excited. It's from Lull. They have the mattresses in the boxes all rolled up and super easy to set up and everything. I've heard a lot of great things. So I'm about to set mine up. I also got in some pillows as well. So I am going to share with you guys how easy this is to set up. So excited to put this new bed on, because our bed right now, I stripped it down and I have our old mattress on there currently, but our mattress is super squeaky and it's not like, it's comfy, but it's not like the best. So this is totally gonna be an upgrade. I'm so excited to try it out and let you guys know how I love it. All right, stripped down my bed, added some garland up there because I thought it looked cute for the holidays. So at the same time, I'm kind of decorating my bedroom since I didn't decorate it the other day. So decorating and putting on the new mattress. So let's see how this goes. You guys, it's so cozy. Like, how am I supposed to work? I just want to lay in bed all day. Oh, it's so good. Now, I'm gonna clean up and we're gonna see how the dogs like it, because they sleep in bed with us too. She is the Lull King mattress and the Lull pillow. They are all ready to go. So it actually says that it takes 2 to 5 hours to mostly expand. So if I like sit on it now, it's super comfy, but I can tell it's like not all the way there yet. So 2 to 5 hours, it's gonna do most of its expanding, and then it'll be fully expanded within 24 to 48 hours. So I'll check back later. I'm sure it'll even be comfortable just to sleep on tonight as well. But oh, I love it so far. I am so excited. Thank you, Lull, so much for collaborating and sponsoring this video. So it's actually 2 days later, or like 2 or 3 days later from when I saw you guys last time on this vlog, but I'm in a new Christmas outfit. This is a onesie that I got from Old Navy. And it's like buffalo plaid. Anyways, I also have a buffalo plaid matching hat that I got there too. So we are gonna actually take family photos in these matching outfits, and my mom is here to take our picture. It's a mess in here. Say hello.
Hi.
Okay, wait, Cody! Let's see you.
Where's my hat?
What?
Where's my hat?
It's out there. You guys might think I'm crazy, but what if we moved the Christmas tree into the bedroom?
No.
You're crazy.
Why?
Because it's all gonna tip over and there's glass balls that'll break.
Fine. Really quick review now that we've had the bed for a few days and have slept on the mattress. So it, first of all, as you saw, was super easy for me to put together. Well, put together, I mean like unbox it, roll it out on here, and then it took like, I don't even know if it even took 24 hours, but apparently it takes 24 hours for it to fully like inflate, I guess you can say. But I felt like it was fine. Even like the first night that we slept on it was super, super comfortable. And ever since then, we've been having like the best sleep. It's so comfy, and it just feels so nice. And it's so true when it says that it's like cooling, because I have not been sweating in my sleep like I usually do. So I definitely highly recommend this mattress. I want to try it out for you guys before I give you the review, but overall it is amazing. I highly recommend this, and I think it would be such a great holiday gift as well. And you can easily put it under the tree because it comes in that nice little box, all shipped to your house. So anyways, I think I'm just gonna end this video right here. I just want to thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.